When was the last time you truly felt confident in your sexual connection? For too many women, issues like vaginal laxity, chronic dryness, and embarrassing leaks have become an accepted burden, something to endure rather than solve. What if I told you there's a breakthrough technology that addresses all these concerns without surgery? I'm Lindsey Cieslak, nurse practitioner at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, and I specialize in helping women reclaim their intimate confidence through advanced treatments like MorpheusV. Unlike anything else available, MorpheusV combines the regenerative power of microneedling with the deep tissue remodeling of radiofrequency energy. This powerful combination works at multiple depths to completely revitalize intimate tissues. What sets MorpheusV apart is the remarkable versatility. This single treatment can address concerns that previously required multiple different treatments. For women struggling with stress, urinary incontinence, MorpheusV strengthens the supporting tissues to help end those embarrassing leaks. For those experiencing discomfort during intimacy due to dryness or laxity, it stimulates natural moisture production and tissue tightening. MorpheusV is also a breakthrough for women with chronic conditions like Lichen Sclerosus, providing relief from persistent itching and discomfort when other treatments have failed. And for those battling recurring infections, the tissue regeneration helps strengthen your body's natural defenses. The treatment itself takes less than an hour. You'll feel a warming sensation as the device delivers precise energy exactly where it's needed. Recovery is minimal. Most women return to normal activities within 48 hours, with results that continue to improve over the following weeks. Women who've experienced MorpheusV describe it as transformative, not just physically, but also emotionally. Call us today at 407-507-3837 to schedule your private consultation and discover how MorpheusV can transform your intimate wellness and confidence.